Welcome to our comprehensive guide on wearable Internet of Things devices. Today, we explore the fascinating world of fitness trackers and smartwatches and how these innovative devices are transforming personal health and activity monitoring. These connected wearables have become essential tools for millions of people worldwide who want to take control of their health and fitness. Wearable IoT devices are smart electronic gadgets that you can wear on your body. They connect to the internet and collect data about your health, fitness, and daily activities in real time. These devices are designed to be connected to smartphones and cloud services, allowing them to track and analyze personal data continuously. They provide real-time notifications and alerts to keep you informed, and they help you achieve your health and fitness goals through data-driven insights. There are several types of wearable IoT devices available in the market. Smartwatches are multifunctional devices worn on the wrist that combine fitness tracking with smartphone features. Popular examples include Apple Watch, Samsung Galaxy Watch, and Fitbit Versa. Fitness trackers are specialized bands focused on activity tracking, step counting, and basic health metrics, such as Fitbit Charge, Xiaomi Mi Band, and Garmin Vivasmart. Heart rate monitors, typically chest straps or arm bands, provide accurate heart rate data during workouts. Examples include Polar H10, Wahoo Ticker, and Garmin HRM Pro. Smart clothing represents garments with embedded sensors that track movement, posture, and biometric data, like Hexaskin smart shirts and Sensoria fitness socks. Fitness trackers come packed with impressive features designed to help you stay active and healthy. The step counter tracks your daily steps and distance walked to monitor activity levels throughout the day. Calorie tracking estimates calories burned based on your activity and personal data. Sleep monitoring analyzes your sleep patterns, quality, and duration to help you get better rest. Heart rate tracking provides continuous monitoring of your heart rate during both rest and exercise. Exercise recognition automatically detects different types of physical activities, so you don't have to manually log your workouts. Many fitness trackers also feature water resistance, allowing for swim tracking and protection from water damage. Smartwatches go beyond fitness tracking to offer a wide range of capabilities. You can make calls and reply to texts directly from your wrist, making communication incredibly convenient. They deliver email, app, and calendar alerts instantly through notifications. Contactless payments allow you to pay securely using digital wallet technology like Apple Pay or Google Pay. Music control lets you manage music playback and even store songs offline. Built-in GPS navigation provides accurate location tracking for outdoor activities. Voice assistants give you hands-free access to Siri, Google Assistant, or Alexa. The app ecosystem allows you to download third-party apps for extended functionality. Battery life typically ranges from 1 to several days depending on usage patterns. You can even use camera control as a remote shutter for smartphone camera photos. Modern wearable devices offer advanced health monitoring features that were once only available in medical settings. Heart rate variability measures the variation in time between heartbeats to assess overall cardiovascular health and stress levels, helping you identify stress patterns and recovery needs. Blood oxygen sensors measure oxygen saturation levels in your blood, which is important for respiratory health monitoring and can detect potential breathing or sleep disorders. ECG monitoring capabilities can detect irregular heart rhythms and potential atrial fibrillation, serving as an early warning system for heart conditions. Sleep stage tracking monitors light sleep, deep sleep, REM sleep, and wake periods throughout the night for comprehensive analysis to optimize sleep quality and recovery time. Body temperature monitoring tracks continuous skin temperature to help detect baseline changes and potential illness onset, providing early detection of fever or health changes. Stress tracking combines heart rate data and other metrics to calculate stress scores and provide relaxation reminders, promoting mental wellness and mindfulness. Understanding how IoT connectivity works helps us appreciate the technology behind wearable devices. The process begins with the wearable device, where sensors collect data about your activities and health metrics. This data is then transferred via Bluetooth connection to your smartphone. From your smartphone, the data is sent over the internet to cloud servers where it is stored and analyzed using sophisticated algorithms. Finally, the insights are displayed to you through app dashboards on your phone or computer. The connection technologies used include Bluetooth Low Energy for efficient device-to-phone communication, Wi-Fi connectivity for direct internet access, cellular networks for standalone smartwatch functionality, GPS technology for location tracking, encrypted data transfer to protect your privacy, and real-time syncing to keep all your devices up to date. Wearable IoT devices offer numerous benefits that can significantly improve your quality of life. For fitness goals, you can set and track daily activity targets, receive motivation and reminders to stay active, monitor your progress over time, and achieve healthy lifestyle habits. In terms of health awareness, these devices enable early detection of health issues, provide continuous vital signs monitoring, allow you to share data with healthcare providers, and help you make better informed health decisions. For workout optimization, you can track exercise intensity and duration, monitor heart rate zones to ensure you're training effectively, analyze performance metrics, and improve your training effectiveness. The convenience factor cannot be overstated, with quick access to notifications, hands-free operation, always-on availability, and seamless smartphone integration making your daily life easier. While wearable IoT devices offer tremendous benefits, it's important to be aware of privacy and security considerations. Privacy concerns include the fact that wearables collect sensitive health and location data continuously. Some companies may share data with advertisers or insurers, personal health information could be exposed in cyber attacks, and GPS features can reveal your daily routines and whereabouts. To protect yourself, follow these security tips. Review privacy settings to customize what data is collected and shared. Use strong passwords to protect your account with unique, complex passwords. Enable two-factor authentication to add an extra security layer to your account. Update firmware regularly to install security patches and software updates. And always read the terms of service to understand how your data will be used before agreeing to them. The future of wearable IoT technology is incredibly exciting with numerous emerging trends and innovations on the horizon. AI integration will bring machine learning for personalized health insights and predictive analytics that can anticipate health issues before they become serious. Medical-grade sensors will provide FDA-approved devices for clinical diagnosis and treatment monitoring, blurring the line between consumer devices and medical equipment. Better battery life will allow for weeks of usage on a single charge with improved power efficiency. AR smart glasses will offer augmented reality wearables with heads-up displays and immersive experiences that enhance how we interact with information. Advanced biometrics will enable blood glucose, hydration, and stress hormone monitoring without blood draws, making health monitoring less invasive. 5G connectivity will provide faster data transfer and enable real-time health monitoring anywhere. Wearable IoT devices are revolutionizing personal health monitoring, making it easier than ever to track fitness, detect health issues early, and live healthier lives. As technology advances, these devices will become even more powerful, accurate, and integrated into our daily routines, ultimately helping us all live longer, healthier, and more active lives.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.